Welcome to our channel. If you've ever felt like productivity apps are more work than they're worth, this video is for you. Today, we're counting down the top 5 productivity apps, and, more importantly, revealing which one is actually fun to use. After all, the best tool is the one you enjoy using every day. Let's dive in. First up, we have Notion. Known for its incredible flexibility, Notion lets you create everything from task lists to team dashboards. You can customize it to fit your exact workflow, whether you're managing a project, keeping meeting notes, or even organizing your personal goals. The best part? It's like playing with digital Legos. You get to build your productivity system your way, and that's what makes it fun. Notion is perfect for anyone who loves the freedom to design their own productivity environment. But be warned, the learning curve can be a bit steep, so give yourself time to explore. Coming in at number 2 is Todoist. If you're someone who thrives on ticking off tasks, Todoist is going to feel incredibly rewarding. It's simple, intuitive, and one of the best features is its built-in karma system. You earn points for completing tasks and keeping streaks going, making productivity feel like a game. This gamification element makes Todoist fun to use, giving you that extra boost of motivation every time you check something off your list. It's a perfect choice for task-oriented users who like to keep things straightforward but engaging. Third on our list is Trello. Trello is a visual project management tool that uses boards, lists, and cards to organize your tasks. If you're a visual thinker, you're going to love it. Dragging cards from to-do to done is incredibly satisfying, and you can customize each board with images, labels, and due dates to make it feel more like your space. Trello makes productivity look beautiful, and that alone keeps many users coming back. It's perfect for creative teams or individuals who enjoy a visually appealing, flexible way to manage tasks. Fourth on the list is Habitica, and it's here to make productivity seriously fun. Habitica turns your to-do list into a role-playing game, RPG, where completing tasks helps you level up your character, earn rewards, and unlock new features. If you love gaming, this app will turn your daily chores into a quest. Habitica is the perfect blend of fun and function, and it's ideal for anyone who struggles to stay engaged with traditional productivity tools. If checking off tasks feels like a battle you want to win every day, this one's for you. Last but not least, we have Microsoft To Do. It's a simple, no-frills task manager that integrates seamlessly with Microsoft 365, making it great for professionals who are already in the Microsoft ecosystem. But don't let its simplicity fool you. It has fun features like custom backgrounds, the satisfying sound of a task being completed, and smart suggestions that remind you of tasks you may have forgotten. Microsoft To Do may not be as flashy as some others, but its smooth integration and ease of use make it a favorite for those who prefer a straightforward app that still feels rewarding. So, which one is actually fun to use? If we're talking about pure fun, Habitica takes the crown. Turning your tasks into a game where you can level up, earn rewards, and go on quests makes daily productivity feel like an adventure. But here's the catch. What's fun for you depends on your style. Whether you prefer the customization of Notion, the gamification of Todoist, or the visual appeal of Trello, the key is to find the app that makes you want to stay productive. There you have it, our top 5 productivity apps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.